Another look at the live streaming webcam from the Federation Square down there in Melbourne, Victoria. Welcome to another update from the Force 13's Australia Oceania channel, where the tropical scene is starting to finally get its act together. And here's a look at total accumulated precipitation via the PERIPHERAL weather website, and it's the area in yellow, and it's northern New South Wales down through Lismore to at least Sydney. Going to see some nice rainfall. Now we look at the latest Bureau of Meteorology's total forecast of rain, and again it's the Northern Territory, Western Australian border from Broome up to Darwin, northern New South Wales, West Coast, Tasmania, now here is a look at the GFS model. This is pressure and wind in knots, and look at that massive low down there in the Great Australian Bights. It's about 970 980 millibars and expected to weaken to 988. Now this is another view of the Agnes Waters webcam provided by the Port Authority in Gladstone. Here's the latest supercell outlook. This is across the next 24 hours, and this afternoon it's the state of New South Wales, Broome up to Darwin. Bureau Meteorology will on Monday issue its Christmas New Year weather outlook. A further look at wind, and the information's bottom left hand side of the screen. And the Bureau of Meteorology over there in Perth has issued a top priority severe weather warning. The latest instability. Severe weather warning for damaging winds, damaging surf remains in force for the southwest parts of the lower west south coastal districts. A deep, slow moving low pressure system is expected to move close to the southwest corner of the state from late this afternoon into tonight through to early Monday afternoon. Associated cold front will affect coastal parts of the southwest districts during Sunday afternoon, extending over the southwest land division during Monday. Now we have a look at the rainfall or precipitation. Showers, thunderstorms may cause damaging winds with gusts to 100 kilometers per hour, which could cause damage to homes, property initially southwest of the line from Margaret River to Walpole Sunday afternoon before extending throughout the warning area during Sunday evening. The information is available on the warning page, Perth website. Now here's a look at the satellite view of the southwestern region. Bureau Meteorology doesn't have anything on the week 1005 millibar low to the northwest of Vanuatu. However, events 91P that came on the radar yesterday, the Fiji Met Office over there at Nandi, they have upgraded their position on the tropical low. Now here's a look at the first round of floaters provided by the NOAA, and it's water vapour. Sea surface temperature remains a very healthy 31 Celsius. So Fiji will probably get to name the first cyclone for the 2017-18 season, and as mentioned previously, they have forecasted 6 tropical cyclones across the summer months. And thanks to Levi Cowan, who's the owner-operator of Tropical Tidbits. Here's the first lot of possible tracks on 91P. And consensus is moving southeast, so it won't impact Australia. Now here's another satellite view from another source of the life of 91P so far. And this particular scene will continue to develop. Now we have a look at some modelling. And we're going to see a possible system up there in the Solomon Islands region, or even to the north of the Northern Territory city of Darwin. .91P is currently located 15.3 degrees south, 178.9 degrees east. Maximum winds at this point in time is 15 knots. The central pressure is 1010. However, that information will change across today. And 91P is, I think, to the north of Suva. Now this is a look at the upper level divergence. Wind shear. Deep layer wind shear. And one of my favourites, the 850 millibar vorticity. Another look at the tropical cyclone formation probability guide. and you can see where 91p is Fiji, but I'm looking at the area to the south east of Jakarta, across to the north of the Northern Territory. Here's the latest service chart from the Fiji Met Office, and you can clearly see the 1003 low. And this is their information. Tropical disturbance 02F, located 14.1 degrees south, 178.0 west, moving east at about 10 knots, but position is poor, and it's based on satellite and other imagery. Convection remains persistent over the low-level circulation centre in the past 12 to 24 hours. Organisation remains poor, and the system lies under an upper ridge with good upper divergence and low wind shear. Global models have picked up the system, initially moving it eastward with slight intensification before moving it southeast and weakening as the environment becomes less friendly. Potential for this system to develop into a tropical cyclone has been upgraded to moderate, and we will continue to bring updated information, and I'm waiting for the Joint Typhoon Warning Centre to come on board. And bye for now.
You can follow Force 13's outlets, the website force13.co.uk, at your service at any time. You can also find us on YouTube, the channel, search Force 13, all in text, and subscribe if you haven't already. You can also find us on Facebook at Force 13, and it's at Force 13 on Twitter, that's the handle to contact us there. You can also add Fool13 on Skype, that's FOOL13, and add extension 9094 on Discord for tropical weather chat.